Hello everybody. I just thought I'd make this video about the GoPro 8. I had a problem, it wouldn't connect, which it had previously done no problem, to my Windows 10 PC. I spent an hour on the internet, driving myself absolutely crazy, updating, disabling drivers, MTP drivers. It just drove me nuts, watching all sorts of guys on videos going away off into a tangent about other stuff, so I'm going to get straight to the point. It's not the PC. If you're finding this problem and you're as daft as me and you were in the house and you were connecting your phone to your your GoPro 8, you've maybe changed a setting on the camera from, you go into connections and mine was on Bluetooth, and what it should have been was MTP. I changed it back to MTP, bang, plugged my camera in, the wee pop-up box come up telling me that it was connected, which it hadn't done previously, and drove me absolutely insane for over an hour and a half. So that's all you do, turn the camera on, unlock it, go into the settings and connectivity and change it to MTP and it should connect. I'm not going to waffle on or go on about other stuff. That's it. That's how it helped me. So I hope this helps.